10-28. Examine the graph at the right, which shows three parabolas. The graph of y equals x squared is shown as a dashed curve. What is the domain of the dashed curve and the range? Alright, so looking at A, the dashed curve is this one right here, and its domain is x equals all real numbers, and then the range is going to be y is greater than or equal to 0. Alright, for B, it says estimate the equations of the other two parabolas. Estimate the equations of the other two parabolas. Okay, so B, we're looking for the equations of these other two. So when I look at the solid line, I know that the equation is going to be y equals a times x minus h minus k, and so then filling in the values I know the vertex is going to be x minus 5 plus 2, and then when I compare it, this graph here is y equals x squared, and so this graph is half as skinny as this one is. So because it's half as skinny, I'm going to say it's doubling by 2. So that's 2. And then when I look at the circled graph, okay, so that's the circles. I know the equation is y equals a times x minus h, plus k. Okay, so the first thing I see is it opens down, so I know a has to be negative. I don't know what that is yet. And then I know the center is going to be the same, so it's going to be it's going to be minus 5 plus 2. But what's going to be different is this graph is wider than this graph by maybe a factor of 2, so we're going to say it's minus 1/2.